Many small businesses unknowingly waste hundreds monthly on forgotten subscriptions. I found $247. Small businesses often pay for unused software. A 2023 Capterra report showed 30% of SaaS spend is wasted. Find your forgotten subscriptions now. We'll start by identifying them. Next, Rocket Money, available as a free app or premium at $4 to $12 per month, scans your linked bank accounts. It categorizes recurring charges automatically. Link your primary business checking account to begin identifying subscriptions. Now, Rocket Money's premium service, starting at $4 a month, can cancel subscriptions for you. It also negotiates bills like internet or cable. Select the subscription you want gone, then tap Cancel for assistance. Meanwhile, Trim offers a different approach, charging 15% of annual savings on negotiated bills. It cancels unwanted subscriptions and negotiates internet, cable, and medical bills. Create an account at asktrim.com and connect your bank. Finally, regularly audit your subscriptions. Set a quarterly reminder to review all recurring charges. I saved $247 a month by canceling 6 unused services. Proactive review prevents future wasted spending. You just learned how Rocket Money and Trim can find and cancel your hidden subscriptions. Watch our next video on optimizing SaaS spending.